So we're getting closer and closer to the IPOE and SoFi merger date. They said it was gonna be closer to the end of quarter number one. Now that is probably around this week. There's rumors out there that we're going to be merging on April 9th. So I think that's still going to happen. That is on Friday. So I want to show you what the technical charts say and what could happen on Friday. What's going to be my plan and strategy to play this the long term and the short term. Okay, so let's look at the charts. So right now we have been following this purple line, trend line that I have drawn here. But that's not going to mean anything in the next few days. Maybe it'll bounce off of it or something. If it's accurate, it seems like it's been accurate, pretty accurate. If you look at it, it has bounced off of it multiple times already. But in the next few days, you know, like tomorrow until Friday, we should see some wild action in IPOE. I could expect IPOE to stay kind of sideways until Thursday or Friday, that day of. Usually that's how it happens, and even drop a little bit. They want people to be scared, but then they're going to be jumping in. And once you see that merger happening, I could just expect something wild to happen, right? So my plan is this. I'm expecting IPOE to at least break that $20 resistance that we can see. Right now, the nearest resistance we have, as you can see in the screen, is around, the first one is around $17.74. Easily we can break that, no problem. And then we have another one around $18. The next one though is around $20, as you can see on my screen. So that one can be easily broken as well. The other resistances we're going to have, the first one is around $25 and the next one is around $28. So if we break those, we're definitely going somewhere else that we haven't seen before. But I'm not sure if that's going to happen in the next few days. You know, like the stock market has been crazy, so beautiful companies like this sometimes do not react the way we expect to react in the stock market lately. But lately, it seems like we have gone past that era where this was happening, where we would see wild stuff happen that we were not expecting. And people are actually trading more with less YOLOing and more, you know, technical analysis, more actually valuing companies for what they are. But we'll see if that happens with IPOE, SoFi. Coming back down here to the supports, in case something that we're not expecting happens and the stock actually drops and falls to the floor, you know, on this channel, we're actually also careful and we just don't expect everything to go up. In case it decides to take a dip next week, we have resistance around $16, and also the strongest resistance we're going to be able to see is around $14.82. So pretty much close to 15, but I always expect it to go a little bit below 15. So that's what we have right now as far as support and resistances go. It's supposed to be a wild day. Like I said, I expect the IPOE to go sideways until Friday. Usually I've seen that happen a lot in the past few months. It's like a trend, like they wait until that same day to make the stock either skyrocket or drop. It's like a waiting game. It's like do you have the guts to wait? You know, like some people exit before it happens, and that's a safe way to do it. Some people take the risk and wait. My personal strategy is the following. I do have some long-term stocks for IPOE for SoFi that I do believe in SoFi. I like SoFi. So I'm going to have some long-term, but I would be lying if I said that if I see the price of SoFi increase so much and have a peak, that I'm not going to sell all of my stocks. Because I will sell them all and I will buy lower. That's what I do, even if it's a long-term position. But if I'm monitoring the position really closely, I will sell it at a pick and then buy down here, you know. Now, if I'm just throwing money at a company in my long-term portfolio, I'm not doing any of that. I just let it go. You know, it's just time consuming. But for this one, since it's the first few days, I want to see what happens. If we see something wild, which we didn't see for CCIB and we were expecting, hopefully it's not another scam like that, and it's not going to be another scam, you know, then it should skyrocket. Like a lot of people are expecting, a lot of more knowledgeable people, more than me, are expecting this to go to the skies. So I'm just trying to give you that information, right? I believe in it as well. I love the app and everything and the banking system that they have going on. I feel like it's a lot focused on young people. So in my opinion. So that was IPOE. I hope you are safe this coming few days with IPOE. Trade at your own risk. I would say if you do not enter IPOE in the next 2 days, you're gonna miss out on whatever happens. Either it drops dead and you lose money and good stuff, or it goes to the skies and you make some profit. So don't miss out on it. The next few days are supposed to be super exciting for IPOE. I would expect. I don't think it's going to be sideways on Friday, that's for sure, or whenever the merger is actually. This is assuming that Friday is the day, April 9th. And I have strong conviction that that's going to be the date. So there's a lot of rumors about April 9th. You can look it up. So you guys have a great night. My next video is going to be about Coinbase, the IPO that's coming out to the markets on April 14th. It's either going to be a video before this one and you've already seen it, or after this one. Most likely it's going to be after this one because this one takes precedence, because this is for, it's going to happen before Coinbase, but that's also another exciting one. So have a great day. Good luck the rest of this week, and have fun trading in the stock market. Oh, by the way, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one.